Hi, I'm Nicole Ellis. I'm a certified professional dog trainer. I've worked with everything from bears to tigers to household cats and dogs. And this is Rossi Bear. All dogs love to go for walks, but if you find you're being pulled down the street, it's probably not enjoyable for both of you. And soon, you'll start coming up with excuses on why you can't take your dog for a walk. So, before that happens, let's go over some tips to help you and your pup go for nice, calm walks together. We'll start by teaching a heel position. This is new to our dogs, so remember to take your time and be patient. This will be easier if you're next to a wall or in front of a step, or better yet, both. Start indoors where there are less distractions. I'm using the Climb training platform that has a step in front of it. You can also use steps on a staircase at home. The step will prevent your dog from inching forward and will help you get that perfect heel position. Step into position, leaving enough room for your dog to fit next to you. A larger dog will need more room than a smaller dog like Rossi. With a treat, lure your dog into position next to you and reward him. If you find your dog is too far away from you, stand next to a wall to help you position your dog closer. You're going to repeat this a few times over a few days. Once your dog starts to understand it, you'll say heel before luring your dog over. When your dog really begins to understand this, you'll raise your hand to slowly fade out your hand cue. Next, we're going to add movement. Take a step forward and ask for the heel. If you have problems with this, try a smaller step or lowering your hand again to help your pup get his or her position down. And, of course, always tell your dog when he's doing a great job. You can start to mix it up, turning, practicing not on a wall or a platform. When you think your dog's about to start pulling, stop moving. If he doesn't come back to you, call him over to regain his attention back to you. Remember to do this before your dog gets to what he wants to pull to. It's important to stop as soon as he starts to begin pulling. If your dog won't sit or listen to you, you're probably too close to what is distracting them. Try adding some distance, regain his focus, and then slowly move closer. When your dog starts to pull, move further away from the distraction, or if there's no distraction, change directions so your dog's no longer pulling. Then attempt to refocus. You may be changing directions a lot at first, but that's okay. Be sure to praise and reward the good, non-pulling moments, even if they're very short at first. Instead of setting a goal of a place to reach on your walk, try to achieve a nice, non-pulling walk, even if that means going back and forth in one area. Lastly, if you're still struggling with a puller, many dog owners find success with a no-pull harness. So when your dog pulls, the harness will be an aid in redirecting your pet's direction. A no-pull harness isn't a fix and should be paired with training for the best results. With practice, you and your dog can be on your way to enjoying longer, calmer walks together.